Magic. Hey, watch it. Ready? Stand. 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 There we go.
Ah! That's my finger. Oh, did you see, buddy?
Yeah.
If it doesn't get put in the living room,
Ow.
I want it in my bedroom.
It's a claw.
I don't want it in the basement with the rest of it.
Give me the food.
Mom, I saved that.
Give me the food.
I had
Okay, I'm staying
it
here.
was my first,
This stuff you have to mix
my
with
very
dry.
first
Ah!
driving
Why?
Huh?
Why?
experience.
It's very potent.
Mm.
He was trying to get me my CDL.
It's a small amount.
Thanks,
Ow,
so
ow,
much.
ow, 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 ow.
Is he?
Anyways.
I guess if you would have that, you would be there.
Oh, fuck no.
Hey,
Excuse my language.
You don't get to yell at them.
My CDLs. No, I would not be here right now. I'd be out on the road.
Back.
What'd you do? Did you scratch yourself? The orange scratched you.
No, that scratch has been there, but the orange juice went into her
Oh,
scratch.
ow.
Ow.
Go wash your hands. Seriously, go wash your hands to get the juice off.
Get the juice
But, anyways, what I was trying to get to is my very first truck driving
You
delivery
did not mess up.
by
Sorry, Mom,
myself.
I was a little
Where's
bit
the-
so I
huh?
could hold it.
Oh,
No, I heard you.
still eating.
The very first job my boss sent me out on, he sent me to New Bumfuck, Egypt. I had no clue where the hell I was going. I didn't have a GPS. What is that? What is that and why is it? What? Where was it? In the bathroom? John? Oh, sorry, Dad, would you? I don't know what is that. Please go to the paper.
Kuma.
Thank you.
Kuma.
What? I know you gotta go wash your hands or it's gonna keep stinging. That's what I'm gonna tell you. You gotta get the juice over it. I know it went in your nail. What I'm
They
trying
don't
to
even
tell
notice
you
it.
is if you want it to get out of your nail, you gotta wash your hands.
Go wash your hands out, baby. Wash your hands out, baby. What you big? What?
Patience with children used to be my strong point. Your kids,
Now you know
Mommy,
now you know what?
I'm
Now
sorry,
you
Dad.
know
Go
why I
ahead.
have much patience.
Here you guys go.
Yay! We can put the, I'm sorry. Put the pictures back up on the wall.
2
I
points.
have some beautiful pictures. I'm not
Not
talking
just
about
excited,
pictures.
but-
I'm talking
Ow.
about real,
I'm gonna
honest to
check
God
my
paintings.
schedule. I don't work Sunday.
Yes. See, now this is
And-
your
Minnie's
house.
just digging
And-
into it.
Why are you bringing? No, Hope Ann, I'm gonna hurt you. You stand in the bathroom and dump it out. No, you want to eat the orange, you're gonna eat it like a normal
I
person.
have an idea.
With the water, I know
Go
what you want to do.
upstairs
It's called a finger
and
bowl.
wave one of the
We are
cans.
not that rich and fancy.
Mostly
for your
probably
ass to
the
have a finger
one
bowl.
here, not the
Okay?
not that one.
If we were, we would
Oh,
all be doing it.
That one is a buddy one. That's
Okay?
that.
You want to be rich and fancy, marry
You
a
like
rich
that?
man.
Look at that.
But now we are poor and helpless. Okay, well we're not helpless, but
That's
We-
amazing that
we
you
can
actually
afford,
chose that one
okay?
over that.
Yeah.
come here. Come here.
Maybe it looks like grandma's dog.
No, that is the cutest thing I've seen in a long time. And I'm
So, there are only 4 cats here. Should we go and get Princess?
No,
Yeah.
it's,
Go.
It's so cute.
What if I
Like I said, get a
It's like-
can.
Where is it?
You are
trash
gonna
can.
be a princess. I swear.
Oh.
At the rate you're going with the way you think and the way you do things.
What?
This does not go in the trash.
What is
What?
it?
This is my messenger bag.
She just, by the way.
Why was it in the trash?
I don't know.
Calm
You
down,
know
dude.
that? Where did you get the idea for the finger bowl?
Can it be washed?